We've all been there, struggling to keep our devices charged, dealing with power outages, and worrying about the environment. But what if I told you that I've found a solution that will make your life easier, save you money, and reduce your carbon footprint? But here's what surprised me about this product. It's not just for campers or RV owners. No, no, no! This baby can power up your entire house, even your air conditioning. Therefore, I'm excited to share with you my WEIZE 200W 12V solar panel kit review. For the best price, click the link in the description. I was skeptical at first. Who needs a solar panel kit that's only 200 watts? But trust me, this is more than just a toy. It's a powerhouse that will make you wonder how you ever lived without it. But before I dive into the juicy details, let's talk about some of the benefits. Are you tired of running out of battery on your phone or laptop while camping? Do you worry about power outages ruining your weekend? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to reduce your carbon footprint and save money on your energy bills. Therefore, this solar panel kit is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable source of renewable energy. So, let's get started. Deep dive, words 90 to 130 asterisk. The WEIZE 200W 12V solar panel kit comes with everything you need to get started, including asterisk 2 x 100W solar panels, a charge controller, a deep cycle battery, mounting hardware, connectors, and cables. It's like having a mini power plant on your roof. But don't just take my word for it. Here are some stats that will blow your mind. Output power, 200W. Voltage, 12V. Short circuit current, 5A. Operating temperature, minus 20 degrees C to plus 60 degrees C. Now, let's talk about some of the features. This solar panel kit is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable source of renewable energy. With its durable design and high-quality components, you can be sure that it will last for years to come. But here's the thing, this isn't just a product for tech-savvy people. It's perfect for anyone who wants to reduce their carbon footprint and save money on their energy bills. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a homeowner looking for a reliable source of power, this solar panel kit is the way to go. Resolution, words 130 to 2600. So how does it perform? Let me tell you, I was blown away by its efficiency. With an output power of 200W and a voltage of 12V, you can be sure that it will provide more than enough power for your devices. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some customers have to say. I've been using this solar panel kit for months now, and I'm absolutely thrilled with its performance. It's perfect for camping, easy to set up, and provides plenty of power for my phone and laptop. Of course, no product is perfect, and the WEIZE 200W 12V solar panel kit has its drawbacks. One thing that I would change is the instruction manual. It could be a bit more detailed. However, overall, this solar panel kit is an absolute steal. With its durable design, high-quality components, and affordable price, you can't go wrong. So what are you waiting for? Get your WEIZE 200W 12V solar panel kit today and start enjoying the benefits of renewable energy. Rehook every 130 words. You might be thinking, is this solar panel kit worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, it's not just an investment. It's a smart move for your wallet and the environment. But don't just take my word for it. Here are some statistics that will blow your mind. The average American household uses over 10,000 kWh of electricity per year. Solar panels can save homeowners up to $1,000 per year on their energy bills. Renewable energy is becoming increasingly popular. In fact, solar power has grown by 20% in the past year alone. Asterisk jokes. I know what you're thinking. Solar panels, aren't those just for hippies? Well, let me tell you, I'm no hippie. I still drink coffee and watch TV, but this product is a game changer. Why did the solar panel go to therapy? Because it was feeling a little drained. But seriously, folks, this solar panel kit is not just for hippies. It's for anyone who wants to reduce their carbon footprint and save money on their energy bills. So, what are you waiting for? Get your WEIZE 200W 12V solar panel kit today and start enjoying the benefits of renewable energy. Call to action. For the best price, click the link in the description. Don't wait any longer. Get ready to harness the power of the sun.